What's going on, everybody? My name's Clay. I'm running for X, and we just had the FOMC meeting right now, and it looks like we had a big pullback in dollar strength, a big push, and it seems that the markets are really receiving the Fed's statement following the release of they're not raising rates, not now, they're not moving on it. And I think in a big way, the market seemed like it was already priced in or already pricing that in. So we got some big trades going in yesterday on NZDUSD. We caught a dollar short on that, NZDUSD short, and using a Fibonacci level. Check out this video where we pick apart this setup on the hourly time frame using our fibs, exactly how you can do this as well. And so check it out in the next video, and you'll see this is with the rejection that we got. So that is actually a good thing that we got in this trade when we did. I sent this out to the group as a pending order from 67.93. I'm not sure if it got triggered. I got triggered in at 67.92. We took it live in the accelerator yesterday. So check it out with the analysis on the Fibonacci's, and then we'll see where we're moving forward after today's move. So check it out. I'll see you in the next video. We just had the New York Open,
Yeah.
So
yeah. If you catch that and it's some nice profit before the news, like you're saying, I feel like that'll be nice.
Yeah, that should be a pretty epic play. So
I mean, this is all assuming that they're gonna be hawkish,
right? If they aren't, and I can still, more than likely we would get a rejection off of here, I'd like to think. So if I can still just position myself with stop loss to entry, 30 pips in a profit, that would be ideal.
Right.
Nice. I'll take a look at that too, Clay. I like that setup.
Now you could either put a pending order there, or just the safe play, which you might sacrifice a few pips, but whatever, is just wait till we cross on, say, a 30-minute time frame, or we might even still cross in the hourly to confirm a cross, because you'll have a MACD cross typically before a momentum cross. Now, so if obviously you can get yourself in trouble if you go down to too short of a time frame. If you're looking at the hourly, for instance, and then you go to the 5-minute, you're like, oh well, we crossed right here. So sticking to like looking for it, say, on a 15-minute, what coupled with the hourly, and I talked about this in the training, is a really good approach. And it looks like we might get our position tagged in here. So NU playing out nicely. Or NJ.
Dude, you should have kept in. I stayed in AJ, man. It's pumping.
Jeez. Okay. Rub it in, why don't you, Angelo? Damn, dude.
Well, just remember, it's setting up for you nice on NU.
Yeah.
You got out of one trade to get into a better trade.
Potentially.
Well, we'll see if this we get the follow through. So we shall see. But cool. NU, watching it, I feel pretty good about this. We'll see if we get tagged in. Now, right now, we just tagged Steve, that 86.3 that I'd originally posted. So it's like, be interesting to see if it hits that one or this one.
I'm gonna go with your judgment on that. You're the pro.
I don't know, man. I don't know. So 67.94. We tagged it pretty nicely.
Oh, did it actually tag you in?
Not from 67.93. The original place, which I had had the fit, but Fibonacci's is like, sometimes they're super exact, but it's like,
it's a guide.
Yeah, it's horseshoes and hand grenades with the market. Sometimes let if you're manually trading, a bot, you'll see like crazy entries sometimes, but well, cool, everybody. I appreciate y'all. Let me know if you need anything, and I'll see you in the chat. And see you
Yeah.
all on tomorrow's call.
Alrighty. Thank you.
Peace.
Thank you.
Thanks,
See
everyone.
ya. See you, Joe. All right, everybody. So you can see here, this was the rejection. And man, you know, I'm glad I took some profits, took some off the table last night, but we came right back, and the markets are pricing this in. It seems pretty already have done that. And moving forward, you know, we could, this risk on sentiment that the markets had is particularly today. We were talking about that in the accelerator this morning. Definitely, Bobby, big shout out to you, man. You were talking about that, and great, excellent call with that. And we're looking at some very nice pullbacks here. Aussie CAD, NZDCAD, which we'll be trading. I'll be looking for these tomorrow live in our accelerator group. And so if you can learn to combine the movements of the market with, in terms of momentum, with these big moves, and then finding which way, like, you can base your market sentiment around that. For instance, here with NZDUSD, which we just saw, you know, we were looking at this push down, pullback here, getting in off that pullback. And then of course, you know, we had the Fed today. It really looked like this thing was gonna drop. And I have the different Fibonacci's here. It looked like we were going to drop pretty heavily, and it was quite the fake move, quite the fake out. I'm saying a lot of people probably got on the other side of that. Maybe we're not done here on AU moving lower, but if we get the follow through with the risk on, which we've already entered off of this in dollar CAD, then, you know, this could shape up to be a pretty kind of bearish for the dollar. This is looking really good the way it is right now. Really looking forward to this going into tomorrow's session. So if you want to trade live with me, get access to these same tools and training and coaching to help you get funded, to help you get consistent, and really to actually make this happen for yourself, then click the link below and we'll be trading live tomorrow. And you just get more information, give us a call, book a call, but only if you're serious about making this happen, and that this would be a reality for you. So click the link below. Hope you had a good time trading the FOMC, and we will see you in the chat. Maybe I'll see you on the live call tomorrow. Peace.